Catherine Bernardo update. Event ni Catherine for BPI Direct Banco. And just sa Space at 1 Ayala sa Makati. And ito yung video. And just sa dressing room. And nag-ready na nga si Catherine para sa event ng BPI Direct Banco. Kasama ang kanyang team. And dahil pa ang gusto magpa-picture kay Catherine. Iba talaga si Catherine. Masaya sila ma-meet si Catherine Kaya na, ready na nga si Catherine. Ganda na outfit ni Catherine
Tinutulungan nyo ang mga kapwa Pilipino natin. Very important yun na nararamdaman nila na, they're all part of this and we want them to be successful as well. So, who wouldn't want to be part of something like that? So, lahat na nandito ngayon, it's not just your job na pupunta ka everyday and then you serve the Filipinos. I love kasi sa bangko because even yung mga ates natin, yung mga kuyas natin sa mga markets, sa tinderas, alam mo yung kapag may pangarap ka, you just want someone to believe in you. And I think Bangko is here to support that dream, not just financially, pero nandyan sila because we want them to be heard. And I think yun yung nararamdaman ng mga Pilipino every time they go to Bangko. So thank you for the support na binibigay nyo sa mga Bangko Mares and Bangko Pares natin. Tayo yung nagiging way nila to have a better future. So good job to all of us sa inyong lahat.
I love how you mentioned being relatable and being able to connect with everyone. Kasi honestly, sasabihin ko as a fan of Ate Kat since, oh my gosh, as in forever talaga. You really have that natural gift being able to...
Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Picture Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.